Guys, let me show you one of the easiest way of getting free betting tips. Free odds every day. You don't pay for anything. It's free. Follow me and watch this video to the end so that you get your odds every day without paying for anything. So let's use the sportybet app. All that you do is that after getting your odds, you need to do small research about the teams that you want to bet on. After that, then you place your bet. It's just simple and easy. We have two ways. Either we use the code hoop. This one I've explained everything to you, and I've done a video about it. It's on this channel. You can check it. Then, or we use this one. So here, let's do this selection and see. So let me take this game for instance. Let me take it. I've explained Espanol. Then let's take rough. It's a rough sketch. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's assuming we have this as our bet or this as our options. Okay, we will not use these teams. When you come like that, then you clear everything, you delete. So you tap on this area. When you tap it, it will come like that, then you clear everything. So when you clear everything, you see here, try multi-marker here. Then you tap on this. It will generate another odds for you. As you can see, there's a betting slip. It's easy and simple. Here you no go for any teams. All you need to do is just go through the teams. If you don't want it, then you delete it, or you remove it from your slip. So if you go through it, you can see Italy, Argentina, Brazil, Germany, another Germany. Okay, so if you don't want, then you clear. Have you seen it? If you want to choose a specific country, then you tap on this all leagues. So then when you tap it will open like this. Then you select the one you want. If you don't want, then you clear everything. If you want Europa League, DFB Poker, you want all the leagues are over here. So if you want all of them, then you select all. Then here the type of option that you want. If it is win-win or over, double chance, handicap, go, 2 goals plus, 3 goals plus, first half, over and under, or draw no bet, then you choose. If you want all, then you mark everything like I'm doing here. When you're done, then you apply. It will generate the teams for you. This one is random. So if it is come, then if you don't want, then you remove some of the teams from it. It's that simple and easy, as you can see. Then here you select the date. It may be today, tomorrow, or all of it. Then you do it. It's simple. If you don't want any of the team, then you remove it. So you can remove it by tapping this. As you can see, it has removed. Then you can add another team to it. So then you tap this plus. Having seen another team has come, you can add. When the team comes, if you don't want, you can also remove it. You can add. Okay. Then you can also do random selection. When you spin on this one, the teams will come like this. As you can see, it will come. You can add more teams. As you can see, it will come. So if the team can, if you don't want, then you remove it. So Germany, Scotland, Germany win. Germany, Hungary, Germany win. Belgium win. Over 1.5, Portugal. Italy, Albania, Italy win. Brazil, Costa Rica win. So any of these teams, if you don't want it, then you remove it. So I think this bet is good. If you don't want it, you can say you remove this one. Then you can spin. Then you add. So any of the selection that you want, then you choose. Then here is the odds range. If you want maybe 2 odds only, 3 odds only, or 20 plus odds, or maybe maximum, you can range it to maximum odds that you want, as you can see. So the odds, total odds, you can choose from 1 over then to the maximum. So this is the odds range. So here is easy and simple. All that you just pick your team. So when you pick your teams, if you want to add something, then you add. After everything, then you place your bet. Then you go on. So this is the final stage. Then you go through everything. After doing your research, then you enter the amount you want. Then yes, place your bet. It's easy and simple. If you don't want this one too, you can choose the code hoops. This one is the good code hoops. when you enter like this, we have so many selections. All these are betting slips. All these are betting slips. Any one that you want, then you just tap on it. It will, there was what will come. It will be, have you seen it? Like this one. It's just simple and easy. Here you don't come and do any research. You just tap on it. Then what, your slip is come. If you go through the one you don't want, then you remove it from it. It's just what, simple and what, easy. So if you don't want any of them, then you remove it. When you remove it, you can also try the what, multi-marker. Then you tap on it. It will generate another what for you. It's simple and what, easy. This is all I have for you for today. But don't forget, subscribe to the channel, share, comment if you don't understand anything. In another video, I'll bring you an interesting thing about betting. Thank you for watching. Yeah.